Hello there, so welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video, I will tell you how you can install WordPress on Websupport.sk web hosting. So here we have the hosting plan, we can just open it. And here we will have to select the domain. Now here we can go to CMS. And here you will see WordPress and some other CMS. So this is the web support edition. We don't want to use this one because we want to use the original WordPress. So we will just click on this button over here. And here we will have to write the directory. So we don't want to add any directory because we want to install the WordPress on the main directory. So here if you want to change the language, you can change it. So here you can write the page name, so I can write my website name, and here you can write your email address. And here you can write your username for WordPress. And here you can generate a password. And here you can change the language and just click on install. So the installation is in progress. We need to wait a little bit and then we will be able to access the website. So let's go to the domain name. So here you can see WordPress is now installed. Now we can log in and make our website using WordPress. If you want to create a WordPress website, then you can watch my playlist where I have created several WordPress websites. So you can watch any video and create your own website. If you need any help, just let me know so I can build one for you. So that's it for the video. Like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.